In 2013, Chicago realized the promise of smart cities with CTOS, a citywide operating system merging big data with surveillance, security, and transit programs. With a few hundred lines of code, hackers were able to hijack its central servers and cripple the entire grid. Many believed the attack would be a killing blow for smart city development. They were wrong. Coordinated from the heart of Silicon Valley, CTOS 2.0 has been implemented across the United States, ushering in the Internet of Things. 6.4 billion connected devices now serve as collection points, mapping and recording our daily routines, making a more secure and more invasive system. But who else is listening? Big Brother no longer works alone. Thousands of little brothers monitor and aggregate your every move, building a complete digital profile of you to be bought, sold, or stolen in an instant. Toys study your children, reporting their play habits back to marketers. Appliances, consoles, and home security systems give corporations a window into your private life. Control of your vehicle and mobile device can now be breached remotely by anyone at any time. You may think that you are immune or underestimate the risk, but your digital shadow is already compromised. Insurance companies use algorithms to monitor your life habits and limit or deny coverage. Health providers determine if your cancer is worth treating. Search results and news feeds are skewed to bias mood and influence your vote, engineering social uprisings on a massive scale. You are now less valuable than the data you produce. This is the new reality. Going dark is no longer an option. With threats to personal freedom rising, many are stepping forward. Whistleblowers, activists, and hackers have drawn their battle lines, putting the establishment on watch. But are they threats themselves, or have they become freedom's last line of defense? Freedom's last line of defense.
There we are. Marcus.
So? Am I in?
Welcome to DedSec. I'm Satara. This sweetheart is Josh, aka Hot Sauce.
Yo, you're Hot Sauce? Yeah, man, I loved your frat house hat. Real talk.
Thanks.
This weirdo's Wrench.
The needs of the many.
And this Casanova is Horatio.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man? It's the crew, huh? Took y'all long enough to come get me. Shit. You saw Bloom's bullshit. CTOS isn't just regulating infrastructure. The amount of personal data that thing is collecting is fucking mind-blowing.
Yeah. It's Big Brother and Little Brother all rolled up into one.
Huh?
Sees everything you do and tells on you.
Thank you, Josh.
So what's the fix?
Sledgehammers and fire. No! Sledgehammers on fire. I'm sorry.
All of that data in one place means they can reject your fucking application before you click on it.
Congratulations, you have been pre-rejected for our credit card.
Or your house, or your insurance.
That's not even the worst case scenario. All that data in the hands of the government, they'll arrest you for shit before you even do it.
Yeah, I've been there. Now I fucking know why. Man, fuck it! Fuck it, man. We're hackers. We outthink, we out dare. I say we tear down the fucking wall.
Like Casey
Like,
Neistat's
show
brother.
everyone
He always wears sunglasses.
what Bloom's up to, man. Show the world that their personal data is being used to rob them of their fucking freedoms. Fuck.
Count how many times you said fuck in that sentence. I dare you. It's my microphone.
I installed a back door, so all I
It's
gotta do is
working.
walk right through.
I love Wrench. He's awesome.
Hold on. You what?
He installed the back door, so all we have to do is walk through.
Bingo.
Right.
Hey, man. You got the time?
Hell yeah, man.
I got it.
Who the hell is that?
It's Kind of late for a night run, isn't it? Hey, what are you running from the cops?
Yes.
Maybe I am one.
Hey, you look familiar.
Have a good party.
Thing this motherfucker. Fuck you, Bloom. I'm gonna go have a goddamn good time.
Cool. That's such a cool little loading thing. I feel like this game is gonna have a better story and you're gonna get more indulged in the characters. I feel like last time, the draw to doing it, like to not do it, to hacking was more of a, like a burden. You know what the fuck?
Hello? Whose phone is this?
It's your new phone.
Where's my phone?
In the ocean, where you threw it, I think. I don't remember. I was pretty smashed. Look, meet us at the hackerspace.
Where?
Check your pics and figure it out.
Okay, come on. Get the fuck. Yo, whose place am I in? 'Cause I could never make you unhappy. No, I couldn't do that, girl. Only wish I could love you so. Makes it so very hard to know.
That was awesome. Like, not
'Cause
that.
I love you so.
Oh my god. In the ocean.
Damn. I guess I was lit, huh?
Like Mardi Gras. Go get yourself something to wear, and I'll tell you where to go next. Oh, and you'll need your phone ready for operations. So hit the store and download your apps before you get here.
Damn, walk of shame on my first day.
Hi.
Watch your backs!
Oh my god. Oh my god, they're gonna kill me.
Stay right
Oh
there!
my god, they're gonna kill me. What? I stood on a cop car. I know how to do this.
Stand by. We're
Swinging back every single option.
Dispatched after the suspect.
Weird because it's like, so well. I want to hack the car.
We are back in pursuit.
What did they do? Did I do that? I think I did that. Did I do that? I might have done that. I think it's in here. Whoa, look at this guy. Hi, what do you want? Hi. Is that all? Is that all you... that thing looks so awesome. It's like something out of Dark Souls. Alright, I'm guessing this is the hackerspace. Woo! Very welcoming. Right. I'm so excited. Go on.
Yo!
Finally. So Josh and I spoke, and fucking over Bloom has been a long-standing project.
All right, you need two things to take down Bloom. You need to get people to rally behind your cause to separate you from the trolls.
And we need bots, and a lot of them to handle the data CTOS is processing.
Thank you, Josh.
We spent all night modifying our app so you can get followers to download the app, and we can use their processing power for the cause.
This is happening? It's really happening?
Yeah, man, this is happening. You better get to it.
Hell yeah, man! Why Barbarians are at the gate and ready to bust some Roman heads.
Yeah, we're gonna focus on some high-profile ops, playing for exposure and laughs to get people to download our app. All right.
Don't worry. So it was something fun.
Marcus! Haha, check you out. Alive and dry. I wasn't sure after your moonlight swim. Come here. You've got to check this out. Behold, our very own open source research app. So, like, all of us here pool vulnerabilities that we find, and we encourage everyone to share their work, their research, etc.
Okay, so what's the research app do?
Widen our skill set? Make us irresistible to the gender of our choice?
What, so it's like a I know Kung Fu kind of deal?
If Kung Fu was a gender and not so 1999? Absolutely.
Okay, that's research. Okay. Select skills, so cities disruption, social engineering. So we can do that. Create a distraction. What is that? What does that do? That writing is so bloody small. Increase dead sec flows. Explode multi-gate. I mean, what does it actually do? Display thing is so small. I can't even see what it says. Oh, it's that when the phone thing. Yeah, I've seen that in trailers and stuff. Vehicle direction lack. Yes. Does it just one direction? Engine override. Let's get this because I feel like that's just gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, we got 0 left. I'd also so I can see it on
Behold, the wonders of technology.
A 3D printer?
This is the army of printers. It is capable of pumping out an arsenal of lethal weapons down.
Seriously?
Yep. Once you master it, voila! Hipster merchant of death.
All good, except I'm no hipster.
You keep telling yourself that. Now try to make something. But don't blow us up.
What's that? What's this? Is that? It's a stun gun. Oh. Jumper drone. That's cool. That thing. That's cute. I'm dying. That thing's cute. I like how that folds. I want to see. Can we get the drone yet? Oh no. Oh, 67,000. Obviously get more of that stuff in the future. It's like a toy gun. Right, are we ready to go? And stuff. Okay, gadgets and weapons, hold. Oh, that's the weapon wheel. Yeah, that was already there. ratio.
So what do you do around here for fun?
What do you mean? This is fun.
Yeah, but outside this place.
No.
Right. Nice talk, Josh.
I thought that was a story. Oh, this is. Oh,
Good to have another
ratio.
brother here.
Good to be here, man. Are you all hackers?
Yeah, kind of a basic requirement to get invited into the hacker space. But we all have our specialties, like Josh over there. Always building shit that shouldn't work. Now he's trying to build this big-ass drone.
And Wrench?
Good engineer, too. But better at breaking shit apart. And yo, Satara? Sis got skills as an artist and a graphic designer. Without her, DeadSec's walking around without a face or voice.
What about you? What's your superpower?
Tactical coordinator or cat herder. Take your pick. I make DeadSec go where it has the most impact. You heard of Prime 8? Those are some real dirty hacking motherfuckers.
Yeah, I've brushed up against them before. It wasn't pleasant.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Link up with me when you're ready to do this, and I'll fill you in. There's always someone running ops against Prime 8. Bet they'd love your help.
I love how we just kept nodding. Okay, yeah, we won't do online right now.
It's something, right?
This whole place is something.
We used to keep track of news feeds on here, but now it's our follower wall.
So it knows if we're trending?
No. It's based on hard values. How many people downloaded our app, how much processing power we have access to, you know.
Nice.
And, speaking of which, we're downloading the DeadSec app into your phone as we speak. When it's ready, open it up, click the suggested op, and hit the park outside so we can test it.
Sounds good.
One more thing. I put a reminder on your phone so you remember what we're gunning for. Get enough processing power to take down Bloom.
No operation available. What is this? Oh, no. No, thank you. Oh, this is where we can equip clothes. Yeah. Yes. Oh, yeah, that's that. Oh yeah. I'm keeping that because that's awesome. Right, what? Okay, I didn't know which trigger was controlling things. Yeah, let's select those. Okay, let's go before we get distracted by everything in here. This place seems super cool and we'll explore it later, but right now I feel like we should do more stuff. What's that down? Whatever. We're locked here. Okay. So we got the DeadSec app now. Walk in the park. Let's track this mission. So reach Dolores Park. Cool. Alright, so we can open it now. So we have to reach Dolores Park. Cool. Chase and the roll out. Alright, let's. Alright, first thing I want to try and do.
The app's downloaded and I'm in the park. What am I testing?
Start profiling things around you. People,
Oh my God, that's
devices.
awesome.
See what you can pull from them. That's what helps us figure out our next ops. And running ops that are important to people is how we get them interested in DeadSec. The more followers download our app, the more intel we get.
Right.
It's the circle of life.
Oh, and see if you can find some components to help us with our research. Hipster merchant
The app is your data mining tool.
Ma'am.
of death.
Okay, I got this. So what now?
Up to you, man. You're free to do whatever catches your eyes. We post ops to the DeadSec app, and doing them helps us get followers. And followers are our Skrilla. Followers mean computers,
What was that?
boosts our processing power,
Okay, I
which
see
lets us do
something.
bigger and badder ops.
Man, The weather does not look too good right now.
Oh, whoops, that's on me.
Oh. Thank you. I mean, that was basically on me, but... Oh, can I not have these anymore? Oh. Wish I could. Okay, yeah, finally. Alright, what do I do now? Net hack. There's something over there.
Hey, so what's this about Bobo Dakes?
You know Bobo's working on a new album, right?
Yeah, I heard.
Well, you won't get to hear it? Motherfucker Gene Carcani just put millions on the table to keep it all to himself.
What does a big pharma CEO want with a rap album?
Dude has a huge Bobo collection. And he probably wants to hang that shit on his wall like a damn trophy. Just rubbing his money in our faces, bruh.
Do you know if Bobo took the deal?
He hasn't announced anything yet, but he will. It's a lot of cash.
And maybe there's still time for an intervention.
Time for what?
What? Alright.
I assume you guys have heard of Gene Carcani?
He's the shit sack who's on TV laughing about how he's raising the price of leukemia medicine.
Yeah, the most hated man in America? Yeah, why do you ask?
Guy's a huge Bobo Dakes fan. Must have read Bobo's in town recording new tracks because he's offering millions to keep the album to himself.
So stupid. Bobo will never go for it.
The real one won't. So we're gonna do it for him. I'm gonna visit Bobo and see if I can borrow some of his new tracks as proof that we're legit.
How do we contact Carcani?
I need you guys to run through interviews, podcasts, whatever. Find me some usable lines. We're gonna make a soundboard.
Ooh, I love this.
I just needed to do that. Like I just looked like such a snob.
Jesus Christ is my nigga.